First, the basics things like genes can be like done to our parents, and we cannot say like genes is same like a DNA. So like DNA can we found like can conduct like calcium like that.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So how do you usually practice to playing a keyboard?
I usually practice with my teacher in my home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to MTSB Podcast. MTSB Choice. Credible, high quality, objective, integrity, construct amalia ahlus sunnah, excellent. Hello guys, we are from 9.6, but before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Sona Felicia, I'm from class 9.6, and this is my friends. Hello, my name is Nafisa Alfitri, and I'm from 9.6. So today we will talk about how genes determine our traits and also our potential. So, but before we explain more about that, I will explain about genes can be a fact or can be a cure. Okay, so first, the basics things like genes can be like done to our parents, and we cannot say like genes is same like a DNA. So like DNA can we found like can conduct like calcium like that, and in cellular we can also find an RNA, and also it's conduct like a calcium. So how do you think about it?
So about it, yeah, for in the involvement, but before that, I think it is common for us to describe the things that make us unique as being in our genes. Like when a parent attends a sport or games that they and their children participate in, or when we comment something about how our friends can have the same savvy business as their grandparents, sometimes we think as like their family traits being passed on.
Okay, so but fella, what does it means like genetics it calls? What is mean?
One evident example of such a trait is our personality. That the definition is a complex trait. Yeah, the definition is still debated by the scientist itself, but the widely accepted the definition for the personality is the combination of our behavior, our thought patterns, and our feelings to determine how we perceive the world and how others perceive us. The characteristic came from the workings of our brains, since our brains is made up from protein and cells like the any other organs. Yeah, so we can study therefore like how much our brain function and our personality can determine by our genetics. Yeah, like the other things also it's called or measurement called by hereditally hereditally. Yeah, it's like that. But hereditary itself is meaning like 30 until 60% in difference of human personality is explained by genetics differences.
Okay, so let's talk together right now, like about what genes that your parents get, like that.
Uh, what genes that I get from my parents?
Yeah.
I think, yeah, like a trait that I get from my parents is, I think my face is a little bit. Sometimes my mother say if my face is a little bit more like my father, not a little bit, but the security in my residence also always told like my face is a similar with my dad. Also, beside that, I think the height. I get the height from my mother. Yeah, not a little bit high. Yeah, not short, but not a
Yeah.
little bit high. Just not a little bit high.
Medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then, but I'm also get annoyed because of that, because like my big brother and my little brother get their hate from my father, which is taller. But why just me that get my mother hate? So yeah, I look tall. I look shorter than them. Like my big brother, my little brother is now. His height is similar with me. He's 149 centimeter, and I'm just 8, and I'm 151 centimeters. We are just different 2 centimeters. Like sometimes people think my little brother is my big brother. So how about you, Nafisa? What your trait that you get from your family?
Okay, so first, it's also my height. So I'm tall like my mother's, and I'm like 163, I think. And I'm really grateful that I can be taller like my mother, but sometimes I feel like I'm more insecure. Okay, so my height is from my mother. So my mother's is taller than my father actually, and also I become more taller than all my family because I'm like 163 and my brother is like 100.
163?
Yeah.
Wow, I
And
feel so short.
my brother's like 170, I think. But if I use like a sleepers, I more taller than him. So yeah, I really sometimes I'm insecure, like why I'm taller than other people's. But after I looking for why I'm taller, like I have a potential like become model or some things. And also I get a chance. My nose is from my dad and my mother, so the bridge is from my mother's, and the bumps is from my fathers. Sometimes I not grateful with my ability, but one day I realize if what is your insecurities is your abilities. So yeah.
That's a sweet word, yeah.
Yeah.
So the point is, you are taller than your father.
Yeah.
Then your mother also taller than your father.
Yeah.
You're taller than your mother also.
Yeah.
So you're the tallest.
No, the tallest is my brother actually, but when I use a sleepers, I will be more taller than them.
Oh, all right,
Yeah.
all right. So from our discussion about this topic, the conclusion is, I think how our traits and our potential can determine it by our chance is already, the process is already explained by Nafisa, right?
Yes.
But if my opinion, yeah, if our traits, of course, is, yeah, definitely we get it from our parents, like we get it inherited by our parents. But if our potential, I think is 50-50, you know,
yeah,
like
yeah.
50% we can get it from our parents, but the 50% is depend on our intention.
Yes,
If we have
it is.
intention to do or to increase our skill about it and our abilities, so we can increase our potential also to find that the potential that we have. But if we don't have the intention and don't want to find it, so I think we cannot utilize and search or increase that potential from that we have. Yeah, so I think for the conclusion, if our traits is, of course, we get it inherited by our parents and also is determined by the genetics.
Yeah.
But if the potential, it's depend 50-50.
Yeah. And then don't forget to grateful because everything is from God. And yeah, if you think your chance is ugly, no, it is it. So
Thank you so much
parents.
for your
Yeah.
sweet word, Nafisa.
From your parents, and your parents is proud to have you. You have a great smile, you have a pretty smile, and you have a great hate and another. So yeah, don't forget to grateful with what you have.
Thank you for your sweet word, Nafisa.
Yeah, we really
So I
can.
think that's all for us.
Yes.
I think that's all we can already answer the topic that we discussed about.
Yes. So yeah, I think enough. I'm sorry if we make a mistakes. And I close. Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.